I took leadership, Madam PS. I the health system will deliver the much in the Republic. Do further stakeholders consultations, almost launching the document, and some in the county governments. I also had an opportunity to welcome you all and to listen as Minister of Health with the support of our
policy shift, if fully embraced, holds the tangible potential of bequeathing every Kenyan the enjoyment of the highest attainable standard of reproductive health as provided by our progressive Constitution of Kenya 2010. And it continues to deliver to the nation the fulfillment of our constitutional mandate of leading progressive policy formulations and thrusts towards a healthy nation. To restate a popular quote, hapa kwa Wizara ya Afya ni kazi tu ya kulinda afya ya kila Mkenya.